What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's time to do another quick unboxing video. Today's shoes is not a pair of Nike nor Adidas, it's a pair of Crocs. By saying this, you probably know or could have guessed which pair. Yes, it's that pair. This pair probably came out maybe 2 years ago, 2 to 3 years ago. Back then I think it was stupid, it was crazy. I would not have bought this pair, but you know, over time changed my mind. Everyone's rocking it. Friends of mine actually wearing the shoes and hit me. I'm like, damn, this pair is actually so much more than I thought. They have recently released like a new colorway and I was able to grab it on. And anyway, it is the Salehe Bembury collab with Crocs. Man, I mean, by looking at the shoebox, it's nothing special. I actually opened it and checked it out myself already and I was impressed. They have come out with several colorways, and the one I got is the Niagara. It's more like grayish. Again, the shoebox is super basic. It's just so simple. I feel like it's more of the ESG and save the world, save the earth. So nothing wrong with that. Got the fingerprint, and I heard that is Salehe Bembury's personal fingerprint. I will be trying on this pair and show you guys how to fit as well at the end. I'm actually gonna rock this pair right away. Here to sizing, I did go with the size 9 because I usually wear 9.5 or 10, and people are saying this thing runs super big. So definitely run at least a size down. I feel like it'll be a little too big for me because I'm usually a 9.5. 9 might still be too big for me. Anyway, bam, right here. Salehe Bembury Niagara colorway. I love the design. Straps right here, Crocs, and Salehe Bembury again right here. One thing I've noticed is that not the entire shoes is made out of this kind of foam material. You got like a semi-translucent, like a grip to hold the shoes as well for more cushion, so that's good. This is more like a designer shoes. You know, it's hard to put Crocs with designer together, and this is what you get. And I feel like this is really cool. I actually read the story. This is like the fingerprint. This is more like a part of his design as well. For what I read on the article, the pair he did with New Balance, the 2002R or 2002. I'm not sure about the name, but he also left a fingerprint mark on the back of the shoes as well. So that's some cool detail. And moreover, though, I love the colorway. It's just so cool. I'm able to rock in all kinds of condition, you know, when it's a little raining or it's wet outside. I don't have to worry about, you know, this pair getting dirty. Retail sitting at like 85 bucks. It's super reasonable price for me, or just for anyone, honestly. A pair that costs less than $100. I know it's a Crocs, it should not cost as much, but I think the resale, it's actually super good though. Honestly, I'm gonna look it up for y'all. For this pair, you can see, boom, I don't know if you can see, but anyway, for size 9, you can buy it now for 90 bucks. The last sale, it's only sitting at 82. Oh wow, it's good to see resale market. It's at where we're at right now. You can get a pair that you actually want it for, you know, maybe 10 to 20, maybe 30 bucks over retail. Good for us. Anyway, we're gonna try this on. It does have the tag right here. I cut it off already. Boom, it's right here. So from the top, it's like this. It feels super light and comfy. On the side, it's gonna look like this. It does run pretty big though. You can see it not, but I don't know. Probably still half size too big. So yeah, but you know, still make it work. Let's come back, and this is the shoes right here. I do notice something small right here. You do get another Salehe Bembury Crocs right here. That's something that I definitely did not notice earlier. But anyway, this is probably it. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Salehe Bembury Niagara colorway. If you want this pair, it's super comfy. Retail or resale, it's not going for a whole lot. So, you know, hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram as well. And I will see you all soon. Peace.